Hi, I'm Dillon, and this is Savannah.
We're your two ACE explorers on a day-long adventure to check out the awesome programs offered at the 3 ACE centers.
And we're taking you with us.
Let's go! Our first stop is masonry at the ACE Center at Highland Springs. If you like to build things, this is the place for you.
It's kind of gooey, like slime.
There's also carpentry, HVAC, and electricity. Becoming an ACE student in high school prepares you for more than 40 career pathways. With so many choices, it's hair-raising.
And speaking of hair, the ACE Center offers cosmetology and barbering too. The ACE Center at Highland Springs is awesome. Where to next?
The ACE Center at Virginia Randolph to test our bulldozing skills.
No, let me go!
Bumpy!
This is realistic.
It feels like I'm actually driving. Programs at the ACE Center offer training for jobs that pay well right out of high school and are a lot of fun.
You can learn to dig up dirt or get your hands in it planting flowers, vegetables, and trees when you sign up for horticulture.
This was so fun, Dylan. We're off to our next stop. The ACE Center at Hermitage. Have you ever dreamed about becoming a nurse or maybe an athletic trainer? If you want to work in the healthcare field, ACE Hermitage is a great place to get started.
You can even learn to save someone's life by becoming a firefighter or an EMT.
Or learn to take care of animals in the vet science program. Have something to say? Become a content creator. ACE Hermitage offers classes in video production, podcasting, and photography. All this exploring is making me hungry.
I'm glad we're at baking and pastry.
Future chefs, if cooking is your jam, the ACE Center at Hermitage and Virginia Randolph offer amazing culinary arts programs.
There's so much more to see at the ACE Centers.
And there's another way you can experience the ACE Centers for yourself. Make sure to visit the website henricocte.com to explore more on your own. Sign up for a summer career camp or summer building trades. Explore your future as an ACE student and graduate enrolled, enlisted, and/or employed. Thanks for hanging out with us and good luck on your ACE adventure.